let's say country and everything is easy. You can add as many countries, but that's not recommended. Over a period of time, we generally recommend break UAE into 6 emirates. Because the way Dubai behaves, Sharjah behaves, Abu Dhabi behaves, they are very different. Am I right, Majid? Riyadh and Dammam, they behave similar or different? Very different. They should have separate strategy. Let's say I have selected UAE, and there's also an easiest option, all countries and territories in the world. Rana? All countries. That means the entire world.
No, we have to make different campaign for each occasion.
When I'm saying UAE, what does that mean? People who are in UAE, or people those who came to UAE on transit and now are back to Australia? When you are creating campaigns, there are some hidden things, like location options. And you need to read them in depth. Recommended is people in who show interest in your target location. This is recommended, default. If you read, learn more and go in depth, you will find out people can show interest in your service, in your location. Let's say I'm sitting in Australia. I'm searching for fireworks at Burj Khalifa. Am I interested in Dubai?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm interested in Dubai. But now next, I go to Google and I search for shoes. Should Namashi ads show to me?
If they have it on.
If this is on, that means I was interested in Dubai. Burj Khalifa is in Dubai. So Namashi should show me the ad in Australia also.
Will be connected.
Okay. Option number 2, people who are physically located in Dubai or UAE, whatever is their location. Option 3, they are not located but they are interested. So which is the best option if you are a local, you can only service UAE?
Targeted.
Please, option number 2 is super important. Let's say I selected UAE but I cannot service Abu Dhabi. I can service all other emirates but not Abu Dhabi. So what I can simply do is Abu Dhabi, you see the option to exclude? Can you see my cursor?
Yes.
Exclude. So what does that mean? Target UAE, exclude Abu Dhabi. So total reach in UAE is about 11.8 million. 1.8 million searchers are in Abu Dhabi. 10%. That's the population of Abu Dhabi also, 10% of UAE. Okay? But these people have to be physically located in 6 emirates, except for Abu Dhabi. Does that make sense?